Hey all, it's Matt here from STYLEFACTORY, your go-to resource for business app reviews and offers. In this video, I'm going to give you a Kittl promo code that gives you 25% off the platform. Let's dive straight in. Step 1. Sign up for a free Kittl account. The first thing you need to do is click the special link in the video description. This takes you to a special page where you can sign up for a free Kittl account. Click the Start Creating button and enter your details to access your free account. Step 2. Upgrade to a paid plan. To make use of your discount code, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. You can do this in Kittl by clicking the K icon at the top left corner of the screen, then the Upgrade Plan option at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll then need to choose a monthly or yearly plan. We generally recommend choosing the yearly plan because you'll get a bigger discount by doing so. In addition to the 25% discount you get by using our code, you'll also get a 33% one for paying annually. Step 3. Enter the STYLEFACTORY promo code. Now it's time to apply our discount code. To do this, just click the Add Promo Code option and enter STYLEFACTORY into the box provided. This reduces your fees by 25%, but only on your first transaction. Again, this makes using it to buy an annual plan better value. Step 4. Enter your card details and enjoy discounted access to Kittl. To finish up, just enter your card details and you've now got access to Kittl at a significant discount. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe or follow wherever you're watching it. And if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. We read them all and we'll do our best to help.